What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the number of apps per page in a Samsung Galaxy S21 app folder. Now, for those of you who don't know, if I go ahead and click on this folder right here, you'll see all of the apps that are contained in that folder pop up. And this right here is one page. And if I scroll over, I get the second page of apps. And these apps are organized into a grid. So you'll see I have 1, 2, 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of apps. And so this is a 3x4 grid, and you are actually able to change the size of that, which is what I will be showing you in this video, and ultimately how to change the number of apps that you see on each of these pages. Now, this feature can be useful for a couple reasons. Maybe you're someone who doesn't like scrolling through several pages of apps and instead would rather have fewer pages but more apps per page. In this case, you could choose a larger grid. On the other hand, maybe you are someone who prefers fewer apps per page since the icons will be a bit bigger and you may be able to better tell what they are. In this case, you could choose a smaller grid. Regardless of your preference, this is how you change it. So we're going to go back to the home screen, and then you're going to pull down the notification panel. You're going to tap that gear in the top right corner. You're going to click on home screen right here. And now you'll see it says folder grid right here. And you'll notice it says 3x4, which is exactly what I mentioned earlier, 3 apps by 4 apps. And if we go ahead and click on that, a little window pops up and you'll see that 3x4 is currently checked, which is again what I have right now, but it only gives you 2 options, that or a 4x4. So if you want to go ahead and change it, all you do is click on it and it'll automatically save it. You can go back to your home screen, and if I click on that folder, you'll see that I now have a 4x4 grid. And so that's how you change the number of apps per page in a Samsung Galaxy S21 app folder. Feel free to check out all my other S21 videos in the playlist in the top left corner. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or an idea for a future video. Feel free to follow my Instagram in the description below. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.